Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
The Little Lion Who Learned to Listen. Deep inside a bright green jungle, there lived a young lion named Leo. Leo was strong, brave, and loud, but he had one big problem. He never listened to anyone. Not his friends, not even his mother. One day, Leo was roaring so loudly that all the animals ran away to hide. The wise old elephant Ella came to Leo and said kindly, "Leo, being loud doesn't make you great. Listening does." But Leo just giggled, "I'm the king. I don't need to listen." Ella shook her head and smiled. "One day, you'll understand, little one." The next morning, when Leo woke up and tried to roar, but no sound came out. He had lost his roar. Panicking, Leo ran around the jungle asking for help. But everyone said, "You never listened to us before, Leo." Leo felt sad and lonely for the first time. Then Ella the elephant came again. She said softly, "Leo, if you really want your roar back, first learn to listen." So Leo sat quietly under a tree and listened. To the birds singing, the wind blowing, and the river flowing. Slowly, he began to understand the beauty of silence and listening. That evening, Leo took a deep breath and tried again. Roar. His powerful roar was back. But this time, Leo didn't roar to scare others. He roared with happiness and kindness. From that day, Leo became the most loved animal in the jungle. 'Cause now he listened to everyone. Moral: listening makes you wise and kind. Even the strongest are loved when they listen.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.